Your entrance is the first thing people see when they come into your home. It greets them and sets the tone for the rest of the house. It's not just a path, it's a chance to show off your style while still keeping things useful. A well-designed entryway is both beautiful and useful, making sure that everything you need is close at hand and providing a warm and welcoming space. Small changes can have a big effect, no matter how big or small your entrance or hallway is. Here are some easy tips and tricks that will help you make your hallway look great and be well organized. Select the right shades. The tones in your doorway decide how the room will feel. To make the space feel open and friendly, choose light, neutral colors like white, brown, or soft gray. A bright rug, a door that has been painted, or other artistic items can add pops of color. Avoid patterns or colors that are too dark or busy because they can make the room feel crowded. Focus on making the walls look good with the rest of your home's decor instead of making them too busy. Remember that a fresh coat of paint can turn any room into a stylish and welcome entrance in an instant. Put in a mirror. One of the best ways to make your hallway look better is to add a mirror. You can add visual interest with a big decorative mirror or a group of smaller ones. Mirrors bounce light around, which makes small rooms look bigger and brighter. For a healthy look, hang the mirror at eye level. To get the most out of it, put it across from a light source like a window or lamp. Unique mirror frames can also be used to add a touch of style. It works well enough for quick checks before you leave the house. A mirror in the foyer is both useful and stylish. Use furniture that works. The furniture in your entryway should look good and be helpful. You can put your keys, mail, and pretty things on a small console table that doesn't take up too much room. A storage bench is a handy place to sit while putting on shoes. And it also has hidden storage for scarves, bags, and other small things. Look for furniture that fits the style of your house and has straight lines. Pieces that can be used for more than one thing make the most of small areas and keep things neat. Don't put too many things in the space. Pick out one or two that meet your needs and make your entrance look better as a whole. Adding rugs as well as adding style and warmth. Rugs are a simple way to make your entrance look better. Start with a strong rug that will catch dirt and water from shoes. Then, add a stylish area rug on top of it to make it feel more cozy. Pick rugs with colors or patterns that go with your room's style and make sure they're simple to clean. If you have an open floor plan, rugs can also help separate the entrance. Try out rugs of different sizes and styles, such as rectangular or runner rugs, to find the right one for you. A well-placed rug can make the doorway feel more welcoming. Use plants to decorate. Putting plants in your entrance is a great way to make it feel alive and new. Pick plants that don't need much care, like peace lilies, snake plants, or succulents. These plants do well in a range of light conditions. In pretty pots, put them on a side table, shelf, or even the floor. If you don't have much room, try hanging planters or ones that you can place on the wall. Adding fresh flowers in a bowl is another lovely way to add color. Adding plants to a room quickly makes it feel better, and the entryway feels alive and welcoming. Plants can also clean the air and make a space feel more natural and calm. Put art on the wall. Add style to your entrance with wall art that you choose. As the center of attention, pick a picture, framed photo, or art print that makes a statement. You could also make a gallery wall by putting together different small frames, mirrors, or even plates for decoration. Make sure the themes and colors go with the rest of your home's style. If you have room, add a floating shelf to show off small works or photos in frames. Wall art gives the entrance personality and charm, making it your own. For a clean and stylish look, make sure the layout is balanced and the wall isn't too crowded. Bright lights lighting is important for making an entrance that people want to enter. To make a strong statement, put up a stylish ceiling light, like a chandelier or pendant. Wall lights or table lamps are great options for small rooms. To make a room feel nice and welcoming, look for lighting that is soft and warm. With sheer curtains, or by keeping the space clear, you can make your entrance brighter if it gets natural light. Lighting not only makes a room look better, but it also makes it easier to do things like put on shoes or find your keys. The mood of your house is set by a well-lit front door. Add hooks. Hooks are a stylish and useful addition to any entrance. You can hang coats, hats, bags, and a man in the sasayon. Down to a heap, simple, area, clean, and orgied. Pick hooks with pretty designs or a stylish rack that you can hang on the wall that goes with your style. Set them up at different heights so that both kids and people can easily get to them. For a cohesive look, match the hooks' material or finish to other elements in the entryway, such as the console table or light fixtures. Hooks make the most of vertical space and keep everything you need close at hand, which keeps your entrance clean and useful. Put important things in a tray. A small tray is a simple yet effective way to organize everyday essentials. Place it on a console table or shelf to hold items like keys, wallets, sunglasses, or mail. Choose a tray that matches the style of your entryway, whether it's modern, rustic, or minimalist. You can also use the tray to display decorative items like candles or small plants. Keeping essentials in one place not only looks neat, but also makes it easier to grab what you need as you head out the door. A tray combines practicality and elegance in your entryway. Keep it minimal, a clutter-free entryway feels more stylish and inviting. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many items or large furniture pieces. Stick to the essentials, like a console table, a mirror, and maybe a bench. Use storage solutions like baskets or drawers to keep items out of sight. Choose a few decorative accents, such as a vase, a framed photo, or a piece of art, to add personality without overwhelming the space. A minimalist approach ensures your entryway remains functional, visually appealing, and easy to maintain, creating a lasting impression on guests. Add a statement piece. A statement piece instantly elevates the style of your entryway. It could be a bold artwork, an eye-catching light fixture, a unique piece of furniture, or a decorative item like a large vase or sculpture. Choose something that reflects your personality and complements the overall design of your home. A statement piece draws attention and creates a focal point, making the entryway feel curated and intentional. Be careful not to overcrowd the space. Let the statement piece shine by keeping the surrounding decor simple and cohesive. It's a small touch that makes a big impact. Personal touches. Your entryway should tell a story about you and your home. Add personal touches like framed family photos, a favorite book, or souvenirs from your travels. Incorporate items that have sentimental value or reflect your hobbies and interests. You could also include a handwritten welcome sign or a small chalkboard with messages for guests. These details make the entryway warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. By combining functionality with personality, you create a space that not only looks stylish, but also feels like home. Conclusion: your foyer is more than just a place to change clothes. It's the entrance to your home and the perfect place to mix style and function. You can make even the smallest room feel more welcoming and well-organized by adding careful design elements like mirrors, lighting, plants, and useful furniture. Make a big difference by adding wall art, a bold statement piece, or useful storage solutions. These small changes make a big difference. Remember that a stylish entrance does more than just greet guests. It also shows who you are and sets the tone for the rest of your home. Make it matter. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your entrance is the first thing people see when they come into your home. It greets them and sets the tone for the rest of the house.